Sosovalue Airdrop massively rewarded its users in the season 1 of the airdrop, which took place this year. The interesting thing is that they are still going to be doing a second distribution, which is going to take place January 2026. Whether you participated in the first round of the airdrop or not, it does not matter. You can sign up right now and position yourself for the season 2, which is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Now, for you to get positioned, the first thing you want to do is to check my profile. There's a link tree there. Once you open that link tree, you're going to see this option that says Sosovalue. Tap on it to open it. It's going to take you to my Telegram channel where you get the registration link and full details as regarding to it. So you go ahead and download the Sosovalue application. You sign up with your Gmail. Yes, it is very important that you sign up with your Gmail because a lot of users that are trying to sign up manually came back complaining. So use your Gmail to sign up. Once you sign up, the app is going to be on your phone. Then you go ahead and open the app. The task that you are completing on this app is simple. It's just social media task. Once you come here and you're registered, you come over to this XP section. Look at this XP section. Once you come over here, you are going to see the task boldly displaying. So you can see this is the page. The first task is your daily check-in. I have checked in for today, and that is why I'm not getting the pop-up. So assuming I'm entering this page for the first time today, I'm going to get a pop-up on my screen, and then I'm going to claim my point. While the other task is this your daily task. Look at daily task, whereby you get to like their post on Instagram, you get to like their post on TikTok, you get to like their post on X. For this X, you would have to connect your X account, yes, because they do thorough verification as regarding to this X. Then you also watch their video on YouTube. This is YouTube here, and look at X share, whereby you have to share them daily and the like. So that is that about the basic task. Now the other thing you could do is look at this starter pack here. Once you go to the starter pack, you are going to see some other tasks. Look at these ones that you can do. As you can see, I have not completed this one, which is for me to install this on my desktop and the like. So I have not done that, but then it does not matter. Then you could also refer. Yes, there is an affiliate revenue or a referral campaign going on currently. You could click on this let's go, and then you invite people to the app. So that is basically that. So this is where you get to view. So this is where you get to view your level. As you can see, I'm currently in V4. So if I accumulate points and this place gets full, they are going to take me automatically to V5, and it keeps continuing like that. The other thing you need to do again is to do your wallet connection, which you can tap at the top right of your screen here. You get these settings, this account settings. You open it up and you're going to get the details here. Now, I'm going to be making a separate video showing you how to connect, because I've received messages from some users that tried to connect and they said they were getting some error messages and the likes. So I'm going to be making another video showing you how to connect this wallet. What you need to do right now is to make sure that you hit this plus button that is right here. So you follow me here and go and follow me on X. Start for Tech on X. Follow me there because that is where I do drop most of my updates even before I make videos on them. And that is basically it.